Hey fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting on a 16 by 20 canvas again, and we're gonna do a flip cup. All my colors are Liquitex except for the titanium white, that is Artist Loft. But color-wise, turquoise blue, titanium white, cadmium yellow light hue, quinacridone magenta. This one is cerulean blue hue that I have lightened with titanium white. And this one is cerulean blue hue that I have darkened with Mars black. And then our last color here is brilliant blue. I'm going to layer them in my cup, starting with the turquoise, ending with the brilliant blue. I'm going to do 2 layers. So I'm going to do that off camera and then I'll bring you back. Okay, all done. So let's get these cups flipped over. Even them out a little bit. Okay, so I have mixed my paint for the Liquitex, 1 part paint to about 1.5 parts pouring medium, added a little bit of water just to get to the right consistency, and then the Liquitex was closer to a 1-to-1. Pouring medium is 60% Elmer's glue all, 40% water. I've got about 140 grams of each color, and I added 4 drops of silicone oil to everything but the white. So I'm going to give this a few minutes to release, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, so let's get on to the next step. A lot darker than I thought it was going to be. I knew I was going to get green. Get a nice orange color in there. I did want that. That's why I put the pink and the yellow next to each other. Okay, last one. Okay, a couple cells popping up, but we're gonna flip this around. Okay, start getting that paint, walk down. Sorry, had to get a better grip on everything. Everything back. We got a little weird thing going on there, so just want to get a little bit of it to go over there. A bit happier with it. All right, let's spin it around. Okay, let's give this a torch and see what colors we're gonna get. Just gotta clean my hands off real quick. Okay, we're gonna give that a minute. I don't think I got really close enough for any craziness of cells. There's a couple popping up there, but I got a couple bubbles I'm gonna pop. If I can get them popped. Ooh, I just got a hair in there. How did I do that? No, I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Get that out of there. Oh, hair's allowed in paintings. Okay, so we only got a couple cells popping up. So we're gonna torch some more. I am trying my best not to over torch. That's why I'm taking it very gentle. But we're not getting a whole whack up for cells. So we will go again. Just pop a couple more bubbles. Okay, so got a little closer that time. Now as I'm torching, I'm seeing bubbles, and then when I come back to pop them, I can't find them. My eyes are playing tricks on me, I think. Yeah, we're getting some nice green in there. Knew that was going to happen with the yellow and numerous blues. Yeah, we got a few more popping up there. Those are looking nice. We need more right here. Some more right there. And a bit more in here, so. There we go. We got some yellow popping through. Some nice orange coming up through there. Still pretty bare up on that side. There we go. We got some more popping through. Anywhere else that I want some cells? I think this is going to be good. So let's finish tilting. We'll grow these cells. Loving the pops of yellow on this one. Let's go over that corner, come back. Yeah, some of those orange cells have really popped through. Gotta make sure I get enough paint off. Let's get the paint back to the center. There. Ooh, liking this one. Really liking this one. Yeah, that orange popping through. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm gonna get you zoomed in so you can get a bit of a better look. So give me 1 second. So there, all zoomed in. What do you think? I love all the colors. We did get a little bit of brown in here, but again, orange and blue is gonna give you brown, but I'm loving just the pops of the yellow kind of throughout, and we've got some nice green in there. You know, the darker background with the lighter color popping through. Really, really liking this one. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.